This influencer has 2 million followers. Brands pay her thousands of dollars per post, but she doesn't exist. Completely generated by AI. Today I'm going to show you the exact method to do this, 100% free, and how to generate actual income through your influencer. Let's dive in. To build your AI influencer, you only need to do 2 things. 1. Creating a unique AI character. 2. Bring that character to life with motion. That's it. Creating your AI character. First, we need a reference. Head over to Pinterest and search for the vibe you want your influencer to have. Fitness, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, whatever niche you're targeting. Find an image that has the look and pose you want, and copy it. This is just your reference. We're not copying anyone. We're using it as inspiration for our AI. Now open Lovart. It's completely free, and you get 30 credits every single day. Log in. Then on the left side, click on plus icon and you'll land on the main canvas. Click on Image Generator on the bottom. Upload your reference image under Image Reference. Now paste your prompt. Generate a new realistic female face inspired by the uploaded image. I'll drop the exact prompt I use in the description, so don't worry about writing it yourself. Set the model to Nano Banana Pro. This gives you the most realistic results. Set resolution to 2K. Aspect ratio, 9:16 for vertical videos. Now, hit generate, and watch this. A completely unique AI character, generated in seconds. This is your influencer. Nobody else has her. She belongs to you. Adding motion. She is ready. We need her to move. Go back to Pinterest and find a short video, something that matches the energy of your influencer. A walk, a pose, copy the link. Perfect, that's your motion reference. Now take a screenshot of the best frame. This captures the exact pose you want her to copy. Now head back to Lovart. Upload your screenshot image and AI influencer image. Type this prompt. Image 2 is posing and dressing like image 1. Set the resolution and aspect ratio. Now click on Generate. Look at that. Same pose, same outfit, perfectly matched. This is where it gets powerful. Now open One Video. Also free. Log in. Click on Avatar and select Character Swap. In the video section, upload the reference video. In the image section, upload your AI influencer image. Choose the Pro model. It's completely free. Costs you 0 credits. But because it's free, it may take a little more time to process. Now hit run. Give it a moment. Look at that. She's moving. She looks completely real, and nobody can tell she's AI. This is your influencer. How to earn money.
Let me show you a platform where you can actually monetize everything you create.
FanView is an AI-powered, subscription-based social platform that allows AI creators to build a profile, grow an audience, and monetize their content directly. It allows you to connect with your fans through messaging and other features. It's the only platform with AI messaging, voice notes, and analytics, all in one place. To start your money-making journey with FanView, click on Sign Up here. Now you can create an account with your email or connect with your X, Facebook, or Google account. After creating the account, your interface will be like this one. Now click on Start Earning. Now enter your country of residency. After that, you have to verify your identity with KYC verification. Once you've completed verification, you can set up your page and set your subscription rate. The minimum rate is $4 monthly. That means if anyone subscribes to your profile, then you will be paid $4. After that, you can link your other social accounts with FanView. And that's it. You are now a FanView creator. Now you can start uploading your content and start making money with your AI influencer model. Besides that, you can get paid through affiliate marketing or sell the service. Your influencer never gets tired. She works 24/7, and so does your income. That's the full process. From zero to a fully working AI influencer, completely free. Link in the description below. And if this video helped you even a little, drop a like. It genuinely helps more people find this. Subscribe to get more updates. Until next, happy creating.